creating target prints. Scroll down into this week, the print week. Technical assignments here. I do have it all written out, what you're going to be doing, but if you want something more visually appealing, there is this PDF attached, which will open this. So all the instructions here are here too, but this gives you some visuals right here. So what are we going to do? First, we're going to make a black and white step wedge. So I'm going to create new, and I don't really care if you do it vertically or horizontally, however you want to do this for orientation. It's completely up to you. So as you can see, I'm following the directions right here. I'm making a RGB file, 1500 pixels by 2250. Create. Then I'm just going to take my gradient tool here, make sure you're going from black to white, and we're just going to drag that across from black to white. Then the top half you're going to select, and you're going to posterize this, which is under Image, Adjustment, Posterize, and I want you to do 12 steps. Done. Save that. Black and white step, whatever you want to call it. I made one already. Now you're going to make your color step wedge by copying this background and pasting it 5 times. Whoops. Oh, that's weird. Oh, I had something selected. Whoops. Drag those to the trash. Sorry about that. Select all, copy, paste. Now you're just going to follow the directions. Notice that these are all blocking each other. I'm going to start on a background layer. You're going to go to Adjustments, again, Hue and Saturation, hit Colorize, crank this baby all the way over to 360, saturation at 75. Where am I getting this information? From right here. Hue and Saturation, drag it to 360, saturation slider to 75. Okay, so that's your red layer. You can call it red if you want. Now we're going to work on the next layer. Same thing. Adjustments, Hue and Saturation, Colorize. Now we're going to go to 100, 75. That's your green layer. Guess what's next? Blue. What's blue going to be? 225. Oops. So that's your blue layer. I'm going to work on the next layer. Yellow, 55. Why isn't it doing anything? Forgot to hit Colorize. Now we're going to do magenta, which is 315. And then last cyan, 200. Not on. Yeah. What that was 200. Now what do? You simply move them. Oops. My mouse is not cooperating. However equally spaced do you think it should be? And then if you want, you can do like I did on mine. No, I didn't, but when I made my target print, I wrote in the black and white areas RGB, CMYK. But you can do that in the actual target print. But go ahead and make sure you save this. As your color step. I'm going to go, because it's done, I'm going to go ahead and flatten it. And save it again. Call it flat. So I want to bring all those layers into my target. I want to make it. And that's that. Now we'll make the target prints next.